no, because everyone is facing a lot of problems because of this odd even loot.
I don't think it has made a lot of difference, so it doesn't really matter if it continues or not.
I support this because due to the odd even rule, the traffic on the road is quite less, which was not before.
It should continue because a small step taken by the Delhi government that encourages people to do something for the environment.
I think it's good.
Well, yeah, according to me, yeah, it's good.
It should be, and sometimes it creates problems also.
I think yes, it should, because the traffic actually decreased gradually, and that's actually a good thing. So yeah.
I'm not sure about the pollution, but the traffic has come down. So gradually, if the traffic is down, pollution level will gradually come down. It will take time, obviously, but yeah.
As per the facts, the pollution level has increased instead of decreasing. And I don't think if the policy was for the pollution level to go down, the pollution level has not been affected due to this.
There was a drop in the air pollution by 20%. I'm not sure about these claims, but if it does even 1%, then it's good for our environment, and it's definitely good for us also.
I guess it has not made any difference because most of the people have 2 cars, or either way there are 2-wheelers also, but I don't think it has made any difference.
If you see the pollution, it's still polluted, because the main reason of pollution, which the survey has conducted by a group of institutions, it says that 2-wheelers make the most pollution than the cars.
There hasn't been such a drastic change, but then apart. So yeah, it's like not really like a percent or 2%. So I think it should continue, and the pollution level has somewhat decreased.
These type of situations and these type of steps need some planned movements and all. And though people should keep patience, because it is ultimately going to be in a good position at the end.
Of course, because if you don't have that car, like an odd car on an even day, so of course you have to use the public transport.
They are forced to travel in the public transport because there is no option left for them.
Public transport are not that convenient as well. Public transport are not that efficient that they can support the normal people going from one place to another.
It has given Delhi people to walk on the streets with their vehicles safely and with due time. Yeah, it has reduced the traffic at all. So I support this.
There will rush over the roads, and now obviously the traffic is less, but metro is very full, but still they are not using public transport as much as they are, because the public transport is also not applicable, or not much of that standard.
Yes, it has to a certain extent made the public transport more accessible to the public, but even that is not in the condition to be used by everybody.